In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your WordPress site on Siteground as a beginner in 2025. We'll keep this straightforward and simple, so let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Siteground website. You'll want to go to their main homepage, which you'll find at world.siteground.com. This is the starting point for accessing all of Siteground's incredible services and tools that they offer. Once you're there, look for the login button on the upper right hand corner of the page. Clicking this will take you straight to the login portal for Siteground where you can enter your user credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do that first, but we'll assume you have one as you're looking to set up WordPress. Now that you're logged in, you'll be directed to your personal Siteground account dashboard. From here, you want to locate and click on the section labelled My Siteground Account. This will serve as your hub for managing everything related to your hosting services and settings. Within this dashboard, you'll find a tab that's called Websites. It's usually quite visible and shouldn't be hard to find. Go ahead and click on it. This section will show you a list of all the websites you currently manage under Siteground. If this is a new setup, it might just be one, but in either case, select the website you wish to install WordPress on. Once you're in the website section, you'll see options related to each of your sites. What you're looking for here is something called Site Tools. This is where all the magic happens. Click on it to open the page that gives you access to a range of technical options and settings. Now within the Site Tools area, you'll see an option labelled Install and Manage WordPress. It's time to click on that. It's basically the one-stop shop for getting WordPress up and running on your domain. You're getting closer to the finish line now. The final steps involve clicking on WordPress within the installation and management page. This action will take you to a more focused area where you can install WordPress. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with installing WordPress on your chosen domain. Siteground makes this process very intuitive, automatically configuring settings to optimize performance and reliability, taking the hassle out of installations. So there you have it. From visiting the Siteground homepage to starting your WordPress installation, it's all about a few clicks here and there. With this setup, you'll be well on your way to creating and managing your website. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging.